Breaking news coming in Balia, SP Devendra Nath and DM Hari Pratap Shahi have accepted the fault of local police after shooter escapes from crime site despite he was apprehended. SP and DM tried to convince the family, but the villagers demanding arrest said strict action is going to be taken and the investigation currently is underway. The DM has said that few arrests have been made and the main accused is going to be under custody very soon. So that's the latest that is coming in as far as the Balia case is concerned. A statement coming in right there. And we're getting you all the details from UP, from Balia, the SP Devendra Nath and DM Hari Pratap Shahi accepting the fault of the local police. This is an acceptance after the shooter escaped from the crime scene, remember, despite being apprehended. The SP and DM did try to convince the family, but the villagers are now demanding arrest. Latest coming in right there from Balia in Uttar Pradesh, getting you more details on this in just about a bit. Our local reporters will join us to bring us up to speed with the very latest from Balia. Abhishek Mishra is getting us the ground report from Balia. This is a big story we're tracking here on India Today.
और वो बार-बार ये कह रहे हैं कि जब तक हमें न्याय नहीं मिलेगा, हम क्रियाक्रम के बारे में भी नहीं सोच सकते हैं। जी।
All right, so this is the case of UP BJP MLA's aide allegedly shooting a man dead, and now the police going on to accept full responsibility and failure and lapse on the part of the cops. SP Devendra Nath and DM Hari Pratap Shahi accepting the fault of local police after shooter escaped from crime site despite being apprehended. Just to walk our viewers through the latest coming in, this is a case of UP BJP MLA's aide allegedly shooting a man dead. This is the case we're talking about. The SP and DM have tried to convince the family, but the villagers are demanding arrest. They've gone ahead and said the strict action is going to be taken. The investigation for the moment is underway. The DM has said that few arrests have been made and the accused will be in custody very, very soon after accepting a lapse on their part. We're getting you all these details coming in from Balia. We're going to get to you more in just about a bit. But remember, a man was shot dead. All of this in front of a local officials in Uttar Pradesh's Balia over some dispute. And Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had also ordered the suspension of the officials present. We're getting in some reactions coming in on the story. Listen into what they are.
कार्रवाई तो लगता है कि बहुत लूज पड़ रहा है, लूज हो रहा है।
क्यों ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि ढीली क्यों है कार्रवाई?
इसलिए कि ये दबाव है।
हाँ,
विधायक और सांसद का।
सुरेंद्र सिंह के द्वारा काफी प्रश्रय उसको मिल रहा था जो अपराधी था, और उन्हीं के प्रश्रय के बदौलत प्रशासन जो है निष्क्रिय हो गई और उसी के चलते ये घटना घटा है। कल उसमें सबसे बड़ी भूमिका जो है यहाँ।
All right, so those were the first up reactions that are coming in. This is a big breaking story that we're tracking right here as far as the Balia shooting was concerned. For our viewers who have just tuned in, who do not know what has happened, a man was shot dead in front of local officials in Uttar Pradesh in Balia over some dispute. And after that, the Chief Minister, Yogi Adityanath, did order suspension of the officials present. And allegedly they were shot by a BJP worker said to be close to party MLA Surendra Singh. In fact, a stampede had followed after that shooting that had been captured on video. SP Devendra Nath giving a reaction right there, accepting the lapses on the police's part. Listen into what he has to say.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.